Ready? Okay. Hi guys, welcome to first ever video of my channel. और ये channel उन सब लोगों के लिए है those who think that they are little late in life or maybe little uncertain. So welcome on board because we are also just getting started. You are not alone. And welcome to my 7-day weekend life. 7-day weekend life इसलिए because number one, as you all know, I'm a retired Air Force officer. I was a transport pilot, a drone operator, an LM operator. I'm also a DGCA certified drone instructor. And secondly, because I did not choose 9-to-5 job and I chose to pursue my passion. और वो passion क्या है? I am also figuring it out. So welcome to this journey. And first of all, I would like to thank each one of you who supported me during Operation Sindoor, where I tried decoding military strategies in simple terms. Also, to all those who followed my cockpit to life series, जहाँ मैंने cockpit के life lessons को real life scenarios के से compare किया है. Now I keep getting lot of messages. What is happening in your life? What are your future plans? Something about drones. Also a home tour. So well, life lately was not easy, but definitely was exciting. So I've been first of all, as you all know, I have small kids. मेरे दो बच्चे हैं and they keep you on toes all the time. So that is why I don't get time to do all this. But nonetheless, I will try and make videos or meet you guys every week. And apart from that, I keep doing a lot of little projects. I keep working on few projects. One project is very close to my heart and that is related to drones, so I'm working on that. Another thing is, as you all know, I was in Lucknow last month. So उस काम को करने में भी बहुत मज़ा आया. Very exciting job. So that is it. I hope I'll do justice to that because definitely there will be some takeaways from each video that I'll be posting every week. So hope to see you every week. Until then, bye-bye.